Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Kraken wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, go ahead and open up the Kraken wallet application on your smartphone, and once you open it up, you might be shown the application interface from which you can search for various currencies and their rates. Now, if you haven't created your account already, go ahead and tap on Create Account. You will then be asked to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in your email address that you wish to use for your Kraken account and then tap on the Next button. You will then be asked to enter your desired username. Go ahead and type in your desired username and then tap on the Next button once again. Then you will be asked to verify your identity. For this, you will need to check your email address on which you will receive an email from Kraken, and once you open this email, you can either tap on a link or use a code from this email within the next page. After you type in your code, you will be allowed to enter your account password. After entering your password, you can simply proceed forward, and then your account will be signed up, and you can then create your profile. And after creating your profile, you can start trading with Kraken immediately. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Kraken wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.